You know, when you have those liquor bottles that you throw away? Well, today I am recycling this one. I'm gonna paint it with white chalk paint. Surprise, surprise, you know, I love my white chalk paint. I'm gonna give it 2 coats. And once it's dry, I'm gonna start embellishing it with this ribbon that I have from Dollar Tree, of course. And I am going to go ahead and put it in the neck of this bottle. I love the way this turned out. And usually when my custom jewelry breaks, I don't throw it out, I recycle it, and then I get to town DIYing. And this is exactly what I'm doing now. Look how beautiful it turned out. I hope you like it. I have these candle holders that my daughter gave me, and it came 3 with a black plate. I'm going to be recycling them. I also have more custom jewelry that I am recycling as well, and these beautiful flower vase from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to paint them with this metallic silver paint. I'm going to paint all 4 pieces. So I gave all 4 pieces 2 coats, and this is the way it turned out. Now with this candle holder, it has these little flowers right there. I'm gonna paint those little flowers in black with this chalk paint right here. And now that that is painted, I'm gonna go ahead and take some hot glue and start gluing these pieces together. I also have some gold ribbon that I will be putting between both pieces and some more custom jewelry. I hope you enjoy this DIY. I am really excited about this DIY. I have this plastic platter that I bought at Dollar Tree, and we're gonna make it look beautiful. I'm gonna give it 2 coats with this black chalk paint and these napkin ring holders. I bought this at a garage sale. Look how beautiful. They gave me, I think it was like 15 or 18 of them for like $2, brand new. Let's go ahead and start painting this. I'm gonna give it 2 coats. Look how beautiful it turned out. I am loving this piece. And now let's go ahead and what I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Oh, the snake. Yes, I'm gonna paint that snake with this black chalk paint. It's crazy when you do the DIYs and then you gotta edit and you don't know what's coming next. Now I have the napkin holders, which I am going to hot glue right here, and these are going to be the legs. Look how beautiful it's turning out. It looks nice and classy. I also have these leaves that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I put 1 on each corner, but later on in the video you'll notice that I took them out because I truly did believe that it looked a little busy. And as you can see, the snake, I already cut it. I cut it in half, and the tail and the head was also cut off, and I will be using this as the handles. Look how beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. I am so excited about this DIY. Actually, it's not even a DIY. I purchased this crystal candle holder at a thrift store. And this vase, I had it in my stack. I don't even remember when I did this DIY. I put some gems in the bottom, but I will be repurposing it. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this simple DIY. Didn't I tell you this was really simple? Look how gorgeous. I hope you enjoy it. And now using this charger, it looks like wood, and another snake. I'm gonna paint it with acrylic paint, apple barrel in brown. And now that the snake is completely dry, I'm gonna cut again the tail and the head and cut it in half, and these will be my handles. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use some hot glue. If you feel that you want to make this more permanent, you could always use a different type of glue, but for the purpose of this video, this is what I used. And once that is done, I'll take some white chalk paint and I'll start distressing it to give it that farm look. And this is my inspector. Her name is Diva. She has to inspect all my DIYs. I think she's approving this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and you see this little lantern. I am going to wrap it around with this rope, also from Dollar Tree. And then once that is done, I will put some jute twine on the top. And this is the final look. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Like that, every time I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. I hope to see you soon. Adios.